Hi, my name is Riley Waters, and today this video will explore the newspaper lesson that I have created. This lesson plan is specifically for second graders, and the standards associated with it are use listening, consensus building, and voting procedures to decide on and take action in their classroom, and also identify some cultural and environmental characteristics of your community and compare to other places. To briefly explore the structure of this lesson, each student will be asked to identify an issue in their neighborhood, school, or community, and then each student will be asked to propose a solution to change this issue. And to guide the student's thinking, I will provide an example. The example will be, our school's water fountain is broken. And the solution I will propose is I will create a list of students and teachers who want the water fountain fixed and present it to the principal. When students are creating these newspaper articles, in my opinion, it's important for them to do this independently so they can personally pick an issue that's close to them and also propose a solution that's unique. And at the end of the students creating these newspaper articles, I will compile those newspaper articles to create a do-it-yourself newspaper. And these students will practice taking informed action through deliberating and deciding where the newspaper should be sent to present their ideas. In other words, the students will be asked to identify which institution or person would be most effective to share these ideas with. And some examples could be Mayor Lightfoot, the school's principal, the alderman, or even a local newspaper. In my opinion, this lesson is very important for students to interact with their community, and this lesson will encourage students to identify a problem and propose a solution, and this will be expressed through writing, so students will also have an opportunity to practice writing paragraphs and full sentences. And also this lesson is important because students will be offered the opportunity to express an issue that they find personally pressing. Also, through proposing a solution, students will recognize that they can personally brainstorm ideas to solve problems, that their opinion matters. And finally, by distributing the newspaper, students will recognize that sharing their solutions, they have the opportunity to cause change in their communities.